Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you add music to your Facebook profile, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. Now, since we're going to be using the Facebook application on your mobile device, we need to get something out of the way first. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what you're using, and then from there search for Facebook. Once you find it, of course, make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to function properly in this process. After that, you can quit from here. Now let's open Facebook. Of course, you have to be logged into your account right here, and then open the menu by tapping the three lines or the profile picture in the top right corner right here. And then from the menu, you need to go ahead and open your profile. So tap on your profile name at the top right there. And here we are on your profile. From here, it's very easy. Just scroll down until you find an icon or a button that says music right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And in this empty list, we need to add a song. So tap on the plus button in the top right corner right there. And then from here, you can choose a song from these recommendations, or you can tap on the search box right here and search for your specific song that you're looking for. Type the name, and then all you need to do from here is to tap on that song, and after tapping on it, just quit from this list. Now once you quit, it should be here. If it doesn't appear in here, just quit back to your profile and then tap on music again, and here it is. Now to add it to your profile, it's very easy. Tap on the three dots right next to it right here, and then tap on pin to profile in the bottom right there. Now once you quit and you go ahead and scroll up, you find the song right here, and that's how you can add music to your profile on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.